Hello everyone, welcome back to Chadwick's Real Tips. This week we're filmed live at our favorite barbershop, Leetsdale Barbers, celebrating over 61 years experience. Special thanks to James Padilla. We also have our special guest, Ian Jouett with Louviers Mortgage. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me, and thank you for having me here. This is amazing. So
This is a great barbershop.
Agreed.
So a lot of our viewers have a question out there, and it's about buying a foreclosure home. It's not as easy as one would think.
No.
How's the process work if someone wants to go out and buy a foreclosure?
Great question. So there's a list that any title company can get you. It's published once a week. It's called the NED list, Notice of Election and Demand. It's all public record. When a house goes into foreclosure, the bank's required to send specific documents out, and this will document that for you.
So in that document list, what kind of information can buyers have about the foreclosure?
Sure, good question. You'll have the address, of course. You'll have the original loan amount and the date that loan was originated. You'll have the current principal amount that the bank is foreclosing on, and the borrower's name. You'll have all the dates. It's usually a county website you can click on, and you can have all the dates, when the foreclosure happens, when the last date to redeem is. Everything you want to know should be on that list.
So for example, it'll say 123 Wright Street. The original amount of the loan was $200,000, and they owe $70,000 less or left.
Yep, sure. It'll tell you that, and it'll tell you the date too. So what we want to look for is dates that are older, because we know there's been an increase in equity. So we look for only the principal pay down and older date loans.
And also then there's the appreciation that's happened over time.
Yeah.
So not only you're looking at equity of the pay down of loan, but also the equity of over the amount of years of appreciation.
Correct. And Denver's been a great market for appreciation.
So some great tips out there for you if you're thinking about looking into foreclosures. This is the part one of part two. First of all, contact a title company, get the printout that's public information every week, look at the addresses, and look at those specific amounts, the origination amount and then the payoff amount. You want to see a big differentiation in that, and the fact that the loan has been paid over a number of years. Also, you want to see that the loan is maybe an older loan.
Correct.
And that you're also counting on the appreciation of the property.
Right.
These are some great tips.
I agree. Thank you.
We're going to move into a part two next week and get a little bit deeper on how the process works for foreclosures with Ian.
That'd be great.
Thank you so much, Ian. And Ian Jouett's information will be on the slide to follow here next. And we'll see you next week on Chadwick's Real Tips.
Take care.